Rev up your engines!
Come here. Tom, we got Super Duty problems this morning. Look at my tire there, people. You reckon that's where it's leaking from? I've seen that the other day. I didn't want to pull it out till I got home. I wiggled it last night and you see the outcome. It's down to probably nothing. Anyway, stay tuned, folks, and we'll show you the repair.
Fixing a tire isn't too hard if you have a tire patch kit. I put a little soap and water on there and drill it out to clean it out. Then I put my patch in. The soap helps it slip in. Anyway, you air up your tire, clip up the remaining little bit, and you're good to go, people. Put the tire kit in your glove box, and you're ready for your next adventure. Thank you all for watching. Think about subscribing too, and have a Super Duty day.